Nebraska's Attorney General wants more power to hold websites accountable that exploit sex and children.
The bill would allow Nebraska to go after these groups in civil cases.
Lawmakers agree on doing everything possible to stop trafficking, but some worry the state could profit on it. KETV News Watch 7 Sean McKinnon is live with what still needs to be clarified. Sean.
Senators were split on their understanding of where this money would go, to the trafficking victims or to the state. Some senators say they'd feel wrong if Nebraska keeps the money won in court.
This is Nebraska's attempt to go after the platforms, some of the very most profitable platforms on the entire internet.
A new bill would give Nebraska's Attorney General expanded power to prosecute sex traffickers and child exploitation by hitting them in the pocketbook.
Federal law can be criminal or civil. Right. What we're doing here is we're creating a civil claim that would allow our bureau to represent survivors who often can't afford attorneys and who the FBI are not taking care of.
But some senators pushed back Wednesday. Justin Wayne and Carol Blood worry that if the state is awarded damages while representing victims, the state would get that money, not the victim.
Here's my concern: is the state generating income off of something so horrible?
All of our consumer protection cases, I believe, goes into the state settlement fund by statute, but if there's a constitutional exception, we don't care where it goes as long as we can take action.
But there's still questions on where the money will be funneled.
Then the money stays in the state, it doesn't go to the victims, does it?
I haven't asked that question.
Senator Blood says major politicians need to stop when and where sex trafficking happens, like she says every summer at the College World Series.
We know that that is one of the #1 times that sex trafficking comes to town, and all these wealthy older white guys in their airplanes come in and tapping into the sex trafficking community. We know that for a fact. We have data that shows us that.
No action was taken on the bill today. Back to you.